As you can see, the fog is really bad today. It's hard to see across the parking lot. I am just running some errands today. This is our bag of the day, YSL camera bag. It does have some cat hair. In here I just have my wallet, sunglasses in my glove compartment, and the phone I'm filming on. Mask is in my pocket. We are going to the pet store and craft store, and let's get going. I couldn't vlog inside the pet store, but here we are inside the hobby store. I am starting this vlog off by looking for some fun festive flowers. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. There's quite a few fun things. It was a little hard to vlog in here just because I was trying not to get too noticed. I was able to do it better in the less crowded aisles. These are some beautiful red-orange flowers. I really like the hydrangeas. And then I was looking for some that were already pre-cut just because they're easier to work with the vase and arrangement that I already have. And here you can see me finding a bluish flower, which is what we were on the hunt for. Hooray! While in the store, we're also looking for some felt and some like a foam. I'm gonna try to make a DIY bag insert for my new Errands vintage Berlingo. We'll have a review on that coming up soon. Alright guys, we are back home. I could not vlog in very much after Hobby Lobby. It's now about 10:30. I do have my Tissot vintage watch on today. And to make things a little bit more festive, today's outfit of the day, we have our Mickey and Minnie jumper, a fun koala bear necklace, and some festive earrings. Here is our pet store haul and our craft store haul. I didn't think you'd be too interested in the cat food, but here it is anyway. We have a flower. It'll come out. We have a cattail. We have in here some felt. I really liked this color, so I got a couple sheets, and that is it. So we are going to be making a hopefully bag insert for my Berlingo bag. To start the process, I made a paper pattern, just holding the paper into the size of the bag. This is my do-it-yourself bag insert. Taken some foam, so this will be the base, sides, and connection point. I have some felt, scissors, head and cut the foam and the felt in alignment with the sides and the base of the pattern. After that, I went ahead and pinned the sides of the felt together actually, and started sewing up the sides. So here you can see my second attempt. I pinned it to the wrong piece the first attempt. The side panel here is just to give it a little bit more support. I wasn't sure initially if I would need the foam inside of it or outside, but as you'll see in a second, after we flipped it inside out to put it inside the purse, the sides do need the extra support. So I went ahead and I ended up sewing the side pieces of foam onto the shape, the insert. The insert did need a baseboard as well, so I put one under and in the middle. And in this shot, you can see me putting it inside the purse. I was lazy and I didn't finish sewing the sides, but we did. I think it turned out pretty well, considering I spent about an hour working on it, and I haven't been able to find an insert for this bag. The total cost came out to about $2, so I'm pretty happy. It was my quarantine project, I guess, for today, as you can see. I'll probably post this vlog attempt pretty soon, but if it comes up before Christmas, I just want to say happy holidays to everyone, and I hope you guys are all staying safe. Stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more future content.